Shares of electric truck maker Lordstown tumbling in the pre-market. Both the CEO and CFO have resigned. Our Phil LeBeau joins us now with more of those details. Good morning, Phil.
Scott, this shakeup is not a huge surprise given the questions that were mounting regarding Lordstown Motors and some of the claims that were called into question by a short seller just 3 months ago. As you take a look at shares of Lordstown, remember that what you have now are the CEO and the CFO have both resigned. So they're out immediately. The CEO, Steve Burns, he really provided the vision for Lordstown Motors, and he also was behind some of the comments that were ultimately part of an independent investigation. He not only has resigned as CEO, he's also off the company's board of directors immediately. I mentioned that independent investigation. Lordstown announcing this morning the results of that independent investigation that it commissioned. And again, this was looking into the allegations from Hindenburg Research, which essentially said, look, the endurance and the claims about orders are a bunch of bull. Well, they say that most of the claims from Hindenburg Research were false and misleading. However, Lordstown's investigation did find that there were issues surrounding some of the statements regarding pre-orders for the endurance. So now the company moves forward with Angela Strand becoming the executive chairwoman while they search for a CEO. Bottom line is this, guys. They don't have a lot of cash, and they've already said that they plan to have the endurance go into production by the end of September. That is really called into question now that the company is looking for new leadership. And can it get there? Or what happens next for Lordstown? The big question that investors are asking this morning.
Okay, Phil, I thought that was great reporting, but let me ask you this point blank. I said it in Twitter after you broke the story. Steve Burns had zero credibility. What happens if they get a very good senior hand that you and I would respect, and then they go out and raise money? I mean, isn't it possible that Burns had to go?
Well, I think that most people looked at the fact that he did not have the leadership necessary to lead this company into the execution of production. Look, Joe Spack from RBC was out this morning saying he wasn't the right guy. If they get the right person, Jim, somebody who can come in who has both the operational expertise as well as the background within the auto industry to say, look, we're going to have to make some deals here, whether it's raising cash, whether it's striking an agreement with somebody. They've got some assets, Jim. They've got that plant, and they've got some tooling within that plant. Now the question is, how do you get to production? Their first mover advantage was really the only advantage that they had, that they could say, we're going to roll out an electric pickup truck before anybody else. If they don't start production by the end of September, what advantage do they have? Are you telling me that fleet operators are going to say, yeah, I'm going to go with this untested vehicle from a company that hasn't built a single vehicle as opposed to the new F-150 Lightning? Why would I go with the F-150 Lightning? I mean, they've only sold 48 million Lightning or F-Series over the history. Why would anybody do that? I mean, I'm trying to be facetious here, but you know what I'm getting at. Somebody has to come in, and they have to make moves immediately. This is not something where somebody can come in and say, well, let me see what's there and what's under the tent. Yeah. No, you've got to move quickly.
Look, I've got it. We want this thing. I'm looking at Scott going back. You know, Phil, fairy tales, we want fairy tales to come true. And I thought it could happen to Lordstown. But you're just spot on. I mean, maybe they have to just reorganize, or maybe they don't make it. But, Phil, wasn't this a great dream that we thought could be an American Way story?
Could still be a great dream, Jim, but they got to move quick.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.